It is Saturday, August 24th at noon, about 92 degrees. As you can see, we've got a nice breeze blowing today. The weather has changed since yesterday. We had a quick update yesterday when the temperature was, I think it was 98. And we had the cable installed here, cable internet. And today we've had the closed circuit TV camera installed, security camera. You can see it sitting up right there on that bracket, that board on the top of the temporary power pole. That is the closed circuit TV camera. The installation is not 100% completed yet because we still don't have a meter in the socket, so we don't have power. Now we did hook everything up to temporary power to off the truck and tested it, make sure that it works. It does. The camera's got a great view of the job site from there. It's a wide angle camera. It actually has motion detection in it, so it'll alert us when somebody's on the job site. It's got voice in it. We can talk to a person on the job site through this camera, and so it's really going to be a help to us to be able to manage this job site. If something comes up, we can talk to a subcontractor or supplier right on site. So that is our quick update for today. We are still probably a week and a half, 2 weeks away from getting a building permit. And as soon as we get the permit, the meter will be installed, and then we'll be able to monitor this job site in real time. That is our update for today.